Limestone County Recycling Department adding a new building and equipment to their arsenal this week. The Limestone County Commission opened the new Limestone County Recycle Center. Here's a sneak peek of that. The building will allow the department's operation to expand, giving a new home for their baler to compact materials. Commission Chairman Colin Daly tells Fox 54 he hopes this addition will help the county with future growth.
In the future, we hope to get more involved in recycling, because the beauty of the recycling world is it keeps it out of your landfill. It makes that environment better for the future. And plus, it gives us a return on investment. It's something that we can, instead of being just a fee to us to have to get rid of it, it gives us an opportunity to try to regain some money back.
Very exciting, and with the addition of the new baler, Chairman Daly hopes this is the start of making the program self-sufficient with the ability to sell the materials at a higher rate.
You want to do the best bang for the taxpayers' money, and we invest a little bit of money in it to hope to return that little bit of money to where it makes self-sufficient. My goal is if we can make it self-sufficient, it will give us an option to handle things at a better. That's the biggest thing is to get it to where it's more marketable to the market, the plants, and that will buy it. And that's what we're looking at.
And if you live in Limestone County, you can now start to drop off recyclable materials at 1305 North Jefferson Street from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Thursday.